everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I'm really excited about today's video because I am going to be doing a little mini blowout on one of my crosses. I have really only been doing shorts with my crosses, and I've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of questions about where I get my crosses. And I'm going to tell you in today's video. So this is a design, I designed this, and it is printed on my 3D printer. So if you are new to my channel and you don't know, besides being an acrylic pouring artist, I make acrylic pouring tools. And I've recently started making substrates to paint on, and crosses are one of the things that I love to paint on. So this is one of the styles that I have. It also comes in a smaller version, and this one has a hole in it to hang. Now the bigger one, let me move this here, it's on my spinner, has the hole right here. I made them differently. I do have 3 different styles. This is the other style, the big one, and then the small one, also with the hole on the back, as you can see. And then one of my newest styles is this one here. And then, of course, there's the smaller one as well. And I really enjoy painting on these. I think they turn out very, very pretty. I really enjoy them. It's probably one of my favorite things to paint on. And so I'm going to do another one today. And these are available in my Etsy shop. The link will be in my description if you want to check that out. I do have a bunch more acrylic pouring tools for you to check out, and including my nozzle attachments, which I will be using today. This is the middle size. I also have the other 2 sizes somewhere over here. All right. Yeah, here's the bigger one, and then here's the smaller one, and you can see the ends on the difference on there. This is the one, the middle size, that I use most often. It's the most powerful out of the 3 sizes. So this is one, I mean, if you've been watching my channel, this is some of the most fun, actually, I've been having doing acrylic pouring. I think it's just because I enjoy the crosses so much, and kind of just getting the word out there. It's kind of important. So now I'm going to go over my colors. I am using some of my favorite colors. The first color is actually a custom color that I mixed up using DecoArt, I think this is Deep Sapphire, and then I mixed some Prism Violet in there, and it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love that one. And then the favorites is from DecoArt also. These are the Enchanted Shimmers. I've got Enchanted Shimmer Violet, Enchanted Shimmer Blue, and Green. And I love these. And for those of you that don't know what these are, they are an interference color changing. So they will look white, and then they will dry the color that it says. So this, you can see that they look white, but they will dry to the color. So that's super cool. The only kind of thing that could be a little iffy is that you don't know how the colors are blending. So that's actually one of the cool things I like, is that it's kind of a mystery, a surprise, you know, when it dries, where the colors went, especially when you're using your mini blower to blow it out, or even if you use them in a bigger, you know, Dutch pour that you're using, or a blowout that you're using your blow dryer or hair dryer. And then the last color I've got is from Golden. It is going to be my cell activator color, which is Carbon Black. This is the one that I use most often as far as my black cell activator. This is the one I get the best results with. I've used other Amsterdam I also get good results with, but the black I seem to get better results with the carbon black. I like carbon black because it is it has a bluer black look to it. It's not like a dingier black or lamp black. Carbon black and lamp black is the same thing. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get my cross covered. I have my, if you can see here, let me move these out of the way again. I have my splatter boards up. I don't know if you can see my feet there that I have on my boards to keep my area clean. Well, this area not clean. It's the outer area that I keep clean. So, all right, so let me go ahead and get this my base on. All right. And I do like to use one of my swipe tools to kind of spread it out. Now I'll spin this in a minute, but I like to kind of get it, the most of it covered, and then spin. Covered, and it doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. Let me see if I got any little air bubbles here, because I'm going to put my colors down and then blow it out, and then I'll spin it again. So before I get started though, for those of you that haven't used the DecoArt Enchanted paints, Enchanted Shimmer, there's Enchanted and Enchanted Shimmer, and they're different, whereas the Shimmer, the Enchanted is just regular, whereas the Enchanted Shimmer has shimmer, and they're mixed differently. The Enchanted, I mix it's thinner, it's much thinner, so you don't need a lot of pouring medium. So for 2 tablespoons of the paint, I use 1 teaspoon of pouring medium. When I mix the Enchanted, I mix these 1 to 1. So 1 part paint, 1 part pouring medium. Now you can change the consistency to your liking, but that's what I found that works best for me, all right? All right, so now I'm just gonna put the rest of my colors down. The white will change color, so I'm super excited to see where the green and where the violet and where the blue went, how it mixed. All right, so make sure that you stay tuned to the end to see the dried result. All right, so get your eyeballs ready for the fantastic dried results, and wow. I love, love, love how this dried. Now you can see why the Enchanted paints, specifically the Enchanted Shimmer, are some of my favorite paints to work with. See how incredible that dries. Those colors are just gorgeous, and the shimmer just adds something extra to it. I love these. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And also, just so you guys know, if you're not aware, I am a DecoArt affiliate. So I will have the link in the description. It'll save you a little money if you use my link. And also to those of you that are interested in any of the acrylic pouring tools that you saw me use in my video today, the crosses, my nozzles, my mini blower, they are available in my Etsy shop. So the link for that will be in the description as well, or you can just check out acrylicpouringtools.com. All right, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.